guys, I got some tech over Christmas. It's currently Christmas Day, and I got a new mic for Christmas, so can you hear it? It's like a lavalier. So yeah, I'm really excited. I have this light that I thought would be cool to put in my videos as a little background light, you know, kind of need one on this side. Dual-sided. So that's why it like is all weird. I'm still working out some kinks here. Is this upside down? No. Today I have an Oculus I'm gonna unbox, and I've been loving my brother's Oculus. So I'm super excited that I have my very own Oculus Quest that I get to unbox and use and enjoy. So I'm definitely going to be playing Vader Immortal. And I have two other things that I'm going to unbox. So yeah. I also have this mat on here so like the text slides easily. Oh yeah. That's never going to get old. ASMR. Okay. So I've been waiting all day. I unwrapped these in the morning. It's 2:56. I've been waiting all day to do this. Never got the chance. So I'm not sure how you actually open this. Some people are probably laughing at me right now because they watched 8 million unboxing. Oh. Irrelevant. Oh. Smells like fresh tech. Oh my goodness. Just like look at that. It comes in this like beautifully packaged, you see, a beautiful packaged box. So I think I'm gonna let it charge, and I'm gonna unbox my other two things first. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let's go over the contents of the box like a pro YouTuber. So you got two mini little controllers, glasses, spacers. If you have glasses, you can have nice spacers to them. And the console, the headset, what you want to call it. I actually also got a little battery pack for it, an extended battery pack that's coming later. So let's go ahead and peel this off. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a volume up and down right there. Power button. Wow. I'm gonna let them charge before we set them up so I can unbox my other two things. So you also get this charger brick thing and a USB-C to USB-C cable. So let's plug her in. Oh, I'm so excited. I need to clean up my workstation.